See, section 9 simply says that if there are more than one, section 25 of BNSS talks about the powers of the courts to inflict punishment in cases of more than two offenses. Section 9 says what will happen in cases of more than two offenses, more than two acts, or more than two offenses. If there are more than two offenses, then what will happen to the punishment? So if there is one strike, or if there are 100 strikes, there'll be one punishment. If there is one robbery or 10 robberies, there'll be one punishment. If there is a robbery, murder, or rape, the punishment will be of one offense, which is most severe. This is what section 9 is talking about of Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita. It is just talking about the punishment aspect. Okay. So even if the charges are clubbed, even if we are clubbing the charges, that doesn't mean the punishment will be also clubbed. The punishment will be one. This is what you mean by section 9. What we mean by section 25 is 25 of BNSS just simply talks about the powers of courts. So in cases of more than two offenses, the power of courts becomes double. If one court is trying more than two offenses, if for example CJM is trying more than two offenses, the punishment he can inflict is 14 years, because the actual punishment he was allowed to inflict was 7 years. We studied it, remember? When we were studying BNSS, we started with it, studied it. It was 7 years, so now it become 14 years. Because of 25. Section 25 says if the CJM or any of the court is trying more than two offenses, it becomes twice of the actual empowered limit, but it should not go beyond 20 years. It was 14 in 2023, it became 20 now.